An object is released at rest at point A. So here is our figure. An object is released at rest at point A. Speed at point A is 0 meters per second. Vertical height of point A is h. The object rises to point B. So it comes like this, and then it rises to point B. And both points A and B are at the same height h. What is the speed at point B? Do not forget, it was released at rest at point A. So if that is the case, what is the speed at point B? Ignore friction, rotation. The object is released at rest at point A. It comes to point B. Both points A and B have the same vertical height. If that is the case, what is the speed at point B? You say total mechanical energy at point A equals total mechanical energy at point B. Kinetic energy at point A plus potential energy at point A equals kinetic energy at point B plus potential energy at point B. It was released from rest. So what is kinetic energy at point A? It is 0. What is potential energy at point A? It is mg times height. What is kinetic energy at point B is what we are looking for. What is potential energy at point B? Remember, it came to the same height, so you get mgh. Immediately you see that mgh and mgh cancels out, or you get 0 equals kinetic energy at B. When is kinetic energy equal to 0? When the object is at rest. So what is the speed at B? 0. Total mechanical energy is conserved. So what does that mean? Kinetic energy plus potential energy at point A equals kinetic energy plus potential energy at point B. Height of A is the same as height of B, and let's call that h. So what do we know about kinetic energy at A? It's 1/2 m speed at A squared. What is the expression for potential energy? mgh. What is the expression for kinetic energy at B? 1/2 m speed at B squared. What is the potential energy expression? mgh. You see mgh and mgh appears on both sides. So get rid of that. Subtract mgh from both sides. And what do we get? We get speed at A squared divided by 2 equals speed at B squared divided by 2. What does that mean? That means speed at A squared is equal to speed at B squared. What does that mean? Speed at A equals speed at B. Remember, speed at A, it was released at rest from point A. So what is speed at B? It has to be 0. It is at rest. And this is George Mathew signing off. Good luck.